What's up everyone? Today I'm back with new Ronix products, electric polishers, essential tools for beginners, car enthusiasts and professional auto detailers to get rid of marring marks and scratches of your lovely car and give you a smooth finish to enjoy the gloss and shine once again. Let's go! Ronix electric polishers come in two main categories, rotary polishers and dual action polishers, which might raise the question of difference. What is the difference between these two types? Well, rotary polishers spin around one axis only, causing heat and friction to build up, allowing the user to perform paint correction processes. While dual action polishers, also known as DA polishers among professionals, not only spins around this axis but also revolves around it. The resulting oscillation creates a wobble kind of an action which prevents excess heat and friction to build up and makes DAs a perfect choice for car enthusiasts who wants to keep the car looking tip-top without worrying a potential respray. Ronix 6110, 1200 watt motor and 600 to 3000 revolutions per minute. Ronix 6112 comes with a 1400 watt motor to give you the power of 800 to 3000 revolutions per minute. Ronix 6115, it has a 1050 watt motor and it gives you a rotary speed of 600 to 2000 revolutions per minute. And the last one, 6122, a dual action polisher with 1200 watt motor to give you the speed of 1600 to 4500 revolutions per minute.
Ronix premium quality.